Hi guys, and welcome to Disney Rainbow Toys. Today I'm going to be making a Cinderella themed dress for Sofia the First, all from Play-Doh. First I'll make her top and glittery bodice, and I'm going to use some of the pieces from the magnetic playset as the base for the Play-Doh to go on top of. So first I'll make the top with some lighter blue Play-Doh. And now I'll outline this bodice with some darker blue Play-Doh, and I'll add some glitter into the Play-Doh to match Cinderella's bodice. Here you go, Sofia. Okay, now I'm going to be making this part of the skirt. Again, I'll use the lighter blue for the base. And just tidy up the edges. And add some more glitter into the darker blue Play-Doh. And cut out the shape. And tidy up some more. Cinderella's got a little heart on her bodice, and I'm going to give Sofia a butterfly. And some more butterflies at the bottom of her dress. And a little bit of Britney Spears perfume to make them all smell nice. Oh, you look lovely, Sofia. Well guys, I hope you liked my Play-Doh dress for Sofia today. Have a lovely day and see you next time.